All right, today I'm going to show you how to clean a lint filter inside of a dryer. Right here I have a dryer and there is a lint filter in there. And what the lint filter does is it filters the air, it gets the lint that is coming from off the clothing and traps it so it doesn't continue in circulation. So we're going to do this, and it's very important that you actually clean your filter because your dryer will dry more efficiently and you can prevent forest fires by cleaning out your filter. So let's go and get started with that. All right, so right here on this particular dryer, the lint filter is right at the bottom of the opening of the dryer. Now this is pretty much where they are on most dryers. You may have some exceptions, but as soon as you open the door, look down, this is where the lint filter is. So what I'm going to do is I have the machine off and I'm going to go ahead and pull this up. And so when you see I pull this up, this is a filter. Some of the older filters, you could just pick it up and just peel the lint off of it from the exterior just like that and you're done. But a lot of modern filters has a two-stage filtration system. And what you'll do is you'll have to open up the lint filter to access all of the lint. If you see some lint on the outside of this lint filter, go ahead and get that off. Make sure it's all gone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull this. Generally you pull that and it opens up like this, and you see that? It's open right here. And so with it open, I just go ahead and just take my hands and just glide it across the lint filter and pick up any lint that is on here and take this and discard of it. But you also want to get the cracks and the crevices of the lint filter because lint builds up and it can get trapped down in there. And I'm going to show you this down here. So down in here is lint can actually build up, and you don't want lint to build up down there. You might have to get a plumber or something or some sort of tool to get this lint out. That is another video. But you don't want lint getting in there. If you can get some of this right up here, and it fits with inside of the manufacturer's instructions, go ahead and clean up some of the lint that is down here, because this right here could cause forest fires and can also cause your dryer to not dry as efficiently. So I have this all up, but if you look closely, you'll see that this is kind of clogged up, and you might want to take an old toothbrush and perhaps go across this to get out the filter, or take a little bit of water on a brush and try to get some of that out. And you want to do this, you want to make sure you get all of the lint off of this, because if you don't, it's going to end up down there and cause a different issue. All right, so once you've gotten all the lint up that you possibly can, what you'll end up doing is going ahead and closing this just like that. Get up any lint that you see down here and then just replace it like that, or back the way it went, and then you're ready to go. And that is how you clean out a filter, lint filter, in a dryer. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.